get under the train. Who the fuck is snatching? Jesus.
Cops are getting fucked up.
Honestly, we're stopping their trains. It's over for them.
Dude, Ranger, bro, Ranger.
Dude, it's retro Meto. That guy cannot aim. Don't worry.
It won't be fun.
Yeah, that guy sucks booty.
Scatter.
Oh, there he goes. There it comes.
Dude, Hey, you're a pussy for driving an APC. Johnny, help me. Johnny. Johnny, please. Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, please. Johnny.
Oh shit.
Fuck you. Oh.
Amputate.
We gotta stop that train, guys.
We gotta stop the
We
train.
gotta stop that train. It's over. Oh no,
Like,
Johnny.
oh no, dude. We gotta stop the train,
No.
man.
Johnny.
You have been charged with.
That makes me so mad.
Oh my god! Run!
Critical breach. Stand by. Stand by.
Get indoors.
Larry! Hey! Is that John Paul?
Larry, you're a hero.
Larry, you are a hero. Thank you so much, Larry.
Larry's the greatest American
Oh.
hero there ever was. We gotta stop this train, guys.
Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life!
No, the trains. No.
Stop
No.
the train! Stop the train!
Hold the
Stop
line,
moving,
boys.
stop moving.
Hold the line.
Stop. If we move, it keeps going. Don't move a muscle. If it moves, we lose. We fucking lose it. We lose the whole city. We own the city right now. And once this train passes, we lose the city to the Combine. The Combine cannot hold us. They cannot win, guys. Alright?
We're too
We fucking
strong
own this
and
city.
cool
We're too strong
and
for them.
pretty.
We could beat the and you know what? Yeah, we're pretty and handsome and cute and shit, so...
What the f-
but they'll never see it coming.
I'm
We gotta stop that train, guys.
the gamer.
Magnificent.
We gotta stop that train. We gotta stop the train.
Hi.
Dude, that CP can suck my nuts. Fucking loser. Uh-oh. I regret saying what I said. I'm gonna go this way. So would that be trespass?
Hey, I live in there. Can you move?
Hey, I live over there too. Can you move?
We all live in that small apartment.
Yeah, we're all homeless.
Move.
We live up.
We live here.
The train.
I'm just trying to figure out what the charge is with this, guys. I don't understand. And also, there's not really a
Come
sign
on,
saying
bunch
it's...
inside, boys.
I mean,
We live here.
we do kind of live here. This is our apartment, so I don't really see the issue here. Hello. You make room,
We are
guys. I mean, I know
homeless.
we're gonna have a little party.
Slumber party.
Whoa!
Slumber party.
Hey, we live here.
be shot. You're gonna get shot.
Hey, I was
I'm kinda
told it was
stuck.
okay to live in here by
We
a
live here.
fucking Overwatch.
Literally going to kill you. Get down.
Literally.
For what?
Literally?
This is our home. Yeah, you
Hey, we
said
live
it
here,
was
man.
okay to live here if I
can't
had
do
a
that.
roof.
No,
Can't do this, man. We live here.
I'm not telling
Hey,
you.
I pay
Get
rent for
there.
there, Johnny.
Not you, hero.
Get out! 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 Get out!
We're
Get
being
out!
body blocked. Key, fucking
Get out!
move.
Let them leave! Let them leave! Let them leave! Get out! Get out! Get out! If you don't leave, you're gonna get killed.
Also, get down, Harden.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Go! Go!
Get the fuck down.
Just wait. Move it. Move along. Now.
Hello, what's going on?
Stand by.
Oh fuck.
Hey, we gotta stop that train, guys.
We're
That
gonna
train
fuck
does
us
not
up,
stop.
dude.
place where you get a
Pause it.
job as civil workers union.
Oh, I don't know.
That train won't know what stopped it. I do that $20. Sure. Just picked up $20 off a dead man, dude. I'm feeling schmexy. Oh, come. Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Shit? I mean, you're old, are you the shit? I want to see the
Hey,
shit.
get the fuck down, asshole.
Dude, I'll watch you shit.
Do
I'll watch
it.
you shit. Cut.
Do it, and then eat it. Put it in your
I
ear.
would smell.
Put it in your eyes and shit. Come on, do it. Shit. I
Hurry
want
up.
you to shit right
Hurry
now.
up.
Do it.
Right this instant.
Come on, shit your pants. We're waiting.
You gonna shit your pants, huh? Go ahead.
Come on, shitter. Come on, do it.
Yeah,
Do
wanna see me?
it.
Yeah, wanna see me? Yeah, wanna see me shit?
Go ahead. Shit yourself. I wanna see it.
Move along.
Move
Hey, what my
along.
boy do?
Move along.
I'm gonna shoot him. Face the wall.
No, it's gonna be the
Face the wall. Oh, he's dead.
What do you not understand about move along? We got a DB here, Tempo at 1142. 1144, we're cleaning up now. Why are you still here? Move along. Go on.
Yeah, you wanna see me shit?
Shut up. I free, miss me up.